In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Radium or Ray, the native token of the Radium DAX on the Solana blockchain. So make sure to listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along smoothly. So first, let's choose a crypto exchange. So Radium is available on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. You can buy it from a centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, or a Bybit. And for the decentralized exchange is the Radium.io using Solana wallet. So if you're a beginner, buying from CEX like Binance is easier. But if you prepare a DeFi trading, you can use Radium itself. Now, to buy USDT or SOL, if you are using Binance or KuCoins, you'll likely need to buy a USDT or SOL first. If you're using Iridium, you'll need a SOL for transactions. Now, to buy SOL or USDT, make sure you deposit funds first into Binance or KuCoin via bank transfer, credit card, or P2P. And now, buy SOL or USDT in the spot market. Now, to buy Ray on a centralized exchange, you can log into Binance KuCoin. Go to the trade and spot trading and search for Ray or USDT or Ray Sol and then enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the order. Now you own Ray, you can store it in exchange or transfer it on Solana wallet. So if you prefer a DeFi trading, you can use Iridium.io. Just simple install the Phantom or Solfair wallet. And that's it. So if you want to store your Ray for trading, keep Ray in Binance Cool Coins. But if you want to store your Ray tokens for security, you can transfer Ray to a Phantoms or Solfair or Ledger wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to buy Radium using both CAX and DAX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.